and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Today's video is all about YouTube channel marketing experts in United Kingdom. Before I move forward with this video, don't forget to check us on our other social media networks such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. So let's move forward with this video. Now, are you looking for a YouTube channel marketing expert in UK? And why you should choose a best YouTube channel marketing agency for your YouTube channel? In today's digital landscape, business consumers' dynamics have shifted. The existence of digital channels has influenced buyer behaviors and consumers are now in control how they receive information. Instead of giving you a call or waiting for your next commercial, consumers now rely on the internet to find information about your business. In recent times, studies shown that video to be preferred medium by consumers for receiving information about your brands, products, they have sparked their curiosity. According to the Vibes, 96% of people say they rely on the explainer videos to know more about your products or services they are interested in. A HubSpot research study found that 72% of people prefer video over text to receive marketing information, and with over 2 billion users, YouTube is their preferred platform. 88% of marketers says they find success in YouTube marketing. As a business owner invested in a digital marketing, your job is to adapt the changing in the dynamics. Provide your audience the answers they need in a form they want to consume. Your consumers will thank you for it and business will benefit greatly from it. 74% of people say they were convinced to purchase after watching a video. This means your digital marketing activities needs to be included a YouTube strategy, and you may need to reach out the experts for the YouTube video marketing services. So we are here. Quality Zone Infotech provides you the best experts for your YouTube channel marketing. Using videos for marketing isn't anything new. On the contrary, ask any YouTube marketing agency and they will confirm it. It's been on rise for years. 87% of marketers used video as a marketing tool in 2019, up from just 61% in 2016. Video is a versatile media format that you can use to offer information to your audience. It's available in many forms and can cater to a diverse set of audience. It can easily attract the attention of your audience and invite them to engage with your business and brand. Now you can leverage the power of video to elevate your digital marketing efforts in such ways such as capture your audience attention. Like an Oxford study found that the humans have shorter attention spans thanks to the internet. Apparently it went down from 12 seconds to about 8 seconds and a half according to the Microsoft Canada study. Although newer studies have sought to refuse that claim. In fact, remains that it's harder to capture and keep user attention today. Marketers use video to attract the attention of their ideal audience. That is because human brain is hardwired to respond more to the visual cues. Now, in a scientific point of view, 7 out of 10 receptors are found in the human eye. 57% of brain is devoted to vision and processing the visual information. The brain can identify information sees as little as 13 milliseconds. So the brain automatically shifts attention to whatever new moving in their environment. So by adding a video to your blog or a web page, you can trick the human brain into watching the video and effectively capture users' attention. Next is strengthen your sales speeches. Now you need a strong sales speech to persuade your customers to buy your product or subscribe to your service. A sale can only happen when you have a strong value of proposition. From the sources, Jacob Nelson revealed that visitors only read 28% of the text of the web page, but with 20% being more realistic expectation. No matter how stronger your pitch is, it ultimately won't matter if your audience doesn't read it. But conveying your message using a video can actually strengthen your pitch. Not only do the customers prefer watching the videos, they also retain 95% of more information. Videos convey way more information while packaged in a format that's not only informative but also entertaining. Whether it's a bestseller or something new, video is a great way to showcase what a business can provide to a client and an author. Business without needing a salesperson for each interaction. Now, video can be seen by thousands of people and can help narrow the sales funnel when redirected to a landing pages or a product page. 80% of visitors to your website will watch a video, while only 20% will choose to read the text. Give more proposition, more power to convert with the help of the expertise of a YouTube video marketing agency like us. The reason is boost credibility. People don't immediately trust business they find on the internet. It's one of the main reasons why they perform plenty of research before making a purchasing decisions, and why managing your online reviews and online reputation is most important thing ever. Trust is perhaps the most crucial element in driving sales and your most essential asset. But when you consider the fact that most business online don't have a face, you can only see why consumers have trust issues. This is why 84% of marketers says their primary focus in the future will be to build consumers' trust. Leveraging videos can be one of the best way for you to build trust with your customers. Video content with personal appearances from you or your employee attaches a face to a brand, making your business feel more human. Meanwhile, videos testimonials add an element to a social proof, making consumers feel validated. 57% of consumers says they felt more confident about their purchase after watching a company video. YouTube is the #1 platform for video content, not just in the USA but in the entire world. It has been everyone's primary source of entertainment, information, and educational content. In recent years, a growing number of marketers considered YouTube video production to be the most effective for video marketing. Why YouTube marketing services? Now let's have a look on it. YouTube enjoys 2 billion unique visitors every month. 73% of US adults uses YouTube, while 90% of 18 to 24-year-olds prefers YouTube every time. Among all the traffic on the YouTube, 15.2% comes from the US. YouTube content reaches more 18 to 49-year-old than any broadcast on the TV networks. People watch over 1 billion hours of videos on YouTube per day. YouTube is used more than any other like Netflix and Facebook. Users who use TrueView YouTube ads to completion are 23 times more likely to be visited or subscribed to the brand's channel. And those who didn't are still 10 times more likely to perform the action. Users who uses Quality Zone Infotech YouTube marketing had the completion are 23% more likely to visit or subscribe to the brand channel. Quality Zone Infotech YouTube advertising increases views from the previous content as high as 500%. So these were some of the points about why you should select a best YouTube marketing services agency. Now another point is why Quality Zone Infotech is one of the best YouTube channel marketing company and how we help you to grow your channel. Now first of all, what is a YouTube marketing service? YouTube is one of the biggest online video streaming platform in the world. With billions of people watching YouTube each day and more than 72 hours of footage, it is sure that YouTube has billions of crazy fans out there who can be your potential customers if targeted smartly. What do you think is the reason behind the big companies using a targeted video advertising campaigns? The reason behind it is the huge audience based on the YouTube has. YouTube, being the largest sharing platform, gives big or small companies an opportunity to showcase their brand and business. To showcase their brand, product, services, video to grow their businesses. So, if you wish your YouTube channel to reach new heights, Quality Zone Infotech, being the highest provider of the YouTube marketing services in India, is happy to help you. Are you looking forward to launching your new product or services and want your YouTube video promotion campaign? Then we are here to help you to solve your problem. We have many YouTube marketing experts in our team who creates a variety of videos as per your business and wants. Then for further promotions, these videos are then promoted and distributed through the various digital marketing platforms. Our solid YouTube marketing campaign strategies help you to create a hype of your brand and then successfully market in on YouTube and via other social media marketing platforms. Now, what kind of YouTube videos we create for our customers? Promotional videos, product launch videos, presentation videos, training videos, user guide videos, etc. Now, how we make YouTube videos? To start the campaign, we have to create a relevant and attractive videos that can be posted on your YouTube channel. These videos are created by our YouTube channel video marketing experts. Our experts always create HD quality videos which are perfectly scripted by specialized YouTube script writers. We have a personal team for voiceover artists who play back for the videos whenever required. These videos showcase the product or services in such a way that audiences find it attractive. You can also ask for the changes after the video is made. Each and every video created by our experts are completely optimized as per the search engine standards, mainly Google. The Video SEO expert team optimizes your videos using keyword-rich title for the videos, video descriptions, video tags, and video subtitles. We also help you to build your own personalized logo, social icon, color background, and profile information. Last but not least is syndication of your YouTube videos. Our intentions as a YouTube marketing services provider is to help you in expanding the subscriber count on your YouTube channel. For syndication of your YouTube videos, we promote your optimized videos on social networking and social bookmarking sites, podcast sites, article sites, and blogging websites. These are the platforms where you can find your target audience. Now, our YouTube syndication points are to increase the number of viewing audience on your channel, drive more advertisements, use social media to increase views and subscribers on your channel, etc. We have already worked on more than 100 YouTube channels, and some of them are Bharat Junjunwala, Ghumao Kya, Sonalisha Mishra, Ask Health Guru, Be Spiritual TV, Sunbright Music, Ritvik Kanumuri Production, Borosphere, Parvati Production, Adi Shakti Entertainment, Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty, Piyush Fitness Lifestyle Blog, All Things Spiritual, Infinite ISH, Praveen Tutorial Point, Dr. Sanjay Sharma, Sainath University, and so on. So these were some of the clients of our YouTube channel marketing service. Before I end this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure to give it a like. Also, check us on our other social media networks such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.